Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Boston Whalers 350 Realm. So here in the cockpit of the 350 Realm, first I'll give you a little bit of spec information about the boat. The boat is 35.6 overall, has a 1010 beam, and has a 385-gallon fuel tank. Here in the cockpit, you see we have a lot of open real estate, really large stern seat that folds away really nicely, easily can seat 3 adults comfortably. Very high backrest, no exposed hardware, really robust, comfortable seating and cushions. Really easy to stow away. We've got a reboarding ladder that actually engages into the portside dive door. You can see it goes in right there. And the dive door just closes when it's not in use. Really big, thick, oversized hardware. To the port side, we have the larger of one of our two insulated pump-out fish boxes, with the smaller being on the starboard side. So while this is more of a family cruising boat from Boston Whaler, it does have some fishing amenities here in the cockpit. We've also got a large live well that is lit. I'm going to open up the Bilge Access for us. I'm always really impressed with what Whaler commits to their bilge area. You see everything is fully finished out, very easy to get to, very clean. We've got our 7.5 kW generator here. And then just forward, right here is actually where our gyro stabilizer is. This is a Seakeeper 3. Really takes a lot of the motion sickness and the pitch and roll out of the boat when you're in heavier seas. This boat is powered by triple 350 Verados from Mercury. This is a joystick boat, as we'll see at the helm. We've also got a nice full walk across along the transom here with swim platforms on both sides, so very easy to maneuver from one side of the boat to the other. We do have a cockpit entry door, big, thick, heavy door, and a freshwater sprayer here. This boat has a 45-gallon freshwater tank. We've got raw water here to the port side, fresh water to the starboard side. Our shore power hookups are also here. Tow rails, large cleats, JL audio speakers as well. So when we go from fishing to socializing, you can see you have a really cool mezzanine seat here that can either face aft or face forward with this adjustable backrest. Beneath this seat is a really large 230 quart cooler that you can access either via the smaller door here, or if you're loading it up, you can open up this really large hatch. Got another freshwater sprayer here. Got teak steps to make it really easy to get up to these taller seats, and also give you some foot support. They're really easy to stow away as well. Here at our prep station, I've got an electric Kenyon grill. You can see how this counter slides out. This serves as a prep area for me. And I have storage beneath. Got cup holders just on the other side. I've got a freshwater sink with a cutting board. And to the starboard side, I have some teak steps to make my way up to the hardtop should I need to get up there. We've got a powered sunshade that is engaged at the helm. We have outriggers, LED lights. You can also see we have the full weather curtain set, so I can fully enclose this area with isinglass for on your colder running days. We'll make our way further forward. Put this backrest back again. You see we have more steps. So moving further forward, what's really cool about this helm seat in addition to the flip-up bolsters and the adjustable armrests, is I can actually rotate this seat to face my guests in the cockpit. So I've got a really nice socializing area here when we're not running. And I've also got AC here in the cockpit as well. This seat also has a, it's powered, adjustable to slide both fore and aft with a switch here. I've got another step here to make it easier to get up. This higher seat here for my observer, in addition to the foot support. And then for those that are a little shorter, I've got a really nice, comfortable helm area. If you're taller and you don't need the step, obviously you can put this out of the way. But for someone around my height, around 5'10", this gives me really good visibility. It's really comfortable. I'm in a very comfortable position as far as where the steering wheel is positioned, the binnacle. I can still access my joystick, my trim tabs, all of my electronics at the screen on the dash. And then similarly, I can slide this bolster down, and I still have a very nice angled footrest here at the helm. Regarding our electronics, we have two very large twin screens from Raymarine. These are 16-inch screens. I have rocker switches, digital start and stops, of course my compass. I've got a recessed area here that has some charging ports for my devices, including USB and 12 volt. Forward, we have a powered ventilation hatch. I've got lockable glove box style storage above, my active trim setting, my 7-inch vessel view screen from Mercury, VHF radio, and of course my Seakeeper display. Over here, further to the starboard side, we do have more air conditioning at the helm, our joystick, which also includes our skyhook and autopilot features. We've also got our Fusion stereo remote. And we did a special instruction on this boat and moved the pull-out fridge closer to the driver. Got two large JL speakers and a subwoofer here. And then 3 drawers of storage just beneath my wet bar sink. So here in the bow of the 350 Realm, I just want to show how comfortable this area is and how expansive the seating is as well. I've got really comfortable seating up front with these angled bulwarks that give me nice back support as well. I've got a powered high-low table, teak table, beautiful table from Boston Whaler. This does raise and lower. So if I want to convert this area to a large sun pad, I can fasten this cushion on top. I can lower this to be flush with the chase lounge and the forward bow seating area. And this can be all one continuous space. Obviously, stow the cushion away, and now I've got a nice area for some cocktailing or some alfresco dining. Got a speaker down below. Lots of cup holders, the switch for the table to raise and lower that. I've got another stereo remote forward so I can actually control the settings of the stereo without having to go back towards the helm. Here we have 3 armrests for all of our passengers up in the bow. Anybody who's well over 6 feet can very comfortably lounge up here and have everything they need within arm's reach. We've got storage for phones, sunscreen, anything you can need up there, cup holders, really large windshield wiper, oversized hardware. We've got a spotlight up top, radar as well. We have outriggers on this boat. It's very well equipped. Now let's make our way downstairs to the cabin. Down here in the cabin of the 350 Realm, we do have a really nice convertible V-berth. So otherwise, this is a really good place for storage, good place for socializing if you need to just get out of the weather or out of the sun. Got really quite a large amount of space here. This also does come out to give you more room for storage or just additional space forward if you need it. And then this cushion actually slides to center, as does this cushion to the starboard side. And then you just fill in the cushions around it and then just slide it right back out of the way when it's no longer in use. We've got a 28-inch flat screen TV. We've got storage here to the starboard side. More storage here. an iPad to control the boat, and also an Apple 4K TV to go along with the actual television. Here we have our distribution panel. So I can convert from shore power to generator. We've got our head area, nice full-size mirror built into the door. Here in the head, we've got a port window, overhead lighting, hanging clips. We've got a lot of shelf space for storage. Sink with hot and cold water. We've got a removable shower wand. This is a vacuum flush toilet. Storage beneath the sink. We've got a teak seat that's on a magnetic catch. So I can either change or I can shower in this area, and I can do so seated comfortably. We've also got a full-size mirror built into the door. Got really nice overhead lighting, so it doesn't feel like a cave. When you come down into the cabin, you have good natural light. And now we'll make our way back upstairs. So that's an inside look at our Boston Whaler 350 Realm. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Come by and see us at our store off Daniel Island, and always check out our Facebook page as well as MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.